Hi guys, and welcome back. We're on the last lesson of chapter 7. So today we're going to be using the multiplication property of equality. So what that means is that if you multiply each side of the equation by the same number, non-zero number, the two sides remain equal. So as you can see, if we both multiply 6 by both sides, we still get an equal amount. If we multiply both sides here by the number that's being divided, all right, we get the same number. All right, so let's look at number 1. So number 1, it says a divided by 3 equals 7. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to find what a is. So to do that, we are going to multiply both sides by 3. All right. All right, the reason why we're doing that is because since this is dividing, we're going to do the opposite, which is multiplying. So that will get rid of our 3 here. And then we'll have a equals 21. And if you want to double check that, if you do 21 divided by 3, that will give you 7. So that will be equivalent. All right, continuing on, we're going to do a couple equations real quick. So we are on letter A. So letter A, it says x divided by 8 equals 9. So again, we are going to multiply both sides by 8. All right, so then we'll get x equals 72. All right, I probably should start putting the dot. I'm sorry. All right, same thing again. We're going to multiply both sides by 4. Okay, by 4. So then y would equal 32. M divided by 5 equals 9. All right. So we are going to multiply both sides by 5. All right, which then M will equal 45. All right. And the last one, we have 30 equals B divided by 2. So again, we're going to multiply by 2, which then B is going to give us 60. All right, there are a couple more examples I would like to do because we have a few of these. Number 3 right here, we have a couple problems like that. And so I just want to make sure that you guys understand what to do before I just let go. Okay, so we have 4.7 equals G divided by 3.2. So I have my calculator over here. So again, I'm going to just multiply this bottom number by this number, okay? Bottom number by the total. Okay, so if I type in my calculator, I'll put 3.2 times 4.7, and that will get me 1504. All right, and if I want to double check that, I could always do 1504 divided by 3.2. All right, so if I do 1504 divided by 3.2, I will get 4.7 as my total. Okay, so just remember that whenever you are doing these, you are always multiplying the numbers, the bottom number to that number, all right, to get our top number up there. All right, multiply bottom number to that number to get our top number. Okay, so if we look at number 1, we have m divided by 6 equals 10. So if we multiply 6 times 10, that will give us 60. Okay, and 60 divided by 6 is going to equal 10, which is also equivalent to what we got. All right, k divided by 5 equals 11. All right, so if we take 5 times, all right, 11, that's going to give us 55. 55 divided by 5 is going to equal 11. All right, and the last one that I'm going to do for the example is b divided by 13 equals 14. All right, so again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the bottom number to the total. And since I don't know what 13 times 14 is right off the top of my head, I'm going to put in my calculator. So 13 times 14, and I will get 182. So 182 divided by 13. All right, again, put in my calculator because, again, I'm not sure. All right, divide that by 13. Boom, I get 14. All right, so you always want to make sure that you multiply the bottom number, all right, the denominator by the total, okay, because then that is the number that we're looking for on top. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know. Feel free to contact me at any point. I will be happy to help. Have a great day, and I hope you have a great rest of your summer.